Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Happy? Fresh? Like small flowers, small leaves, है ना? So, what we will learn today? We will learn about chapter 6, parts of a plant, part 4. Okay? So, let us start. Recap for today's class. Leaf. Today we will learn about leaf. Okay? Next. Parts of a leaf. Leaf के भी अलग अलग parts होते हैं. Right? So we will learn about all the parts today. Next. What is the work of leaves? Leaves plants के लिए क्या करते हैं? You know that? Okay, we will check. Fine. So, first, parts of a leaf. Leaf के अलग अलग parts होते हैं. Okay? This is known as stalk. Okay? ये जो है, ये leaf को plant के साथ join करता है. Okay? And वो क्या supply करवाता है? पूरे leaf को वो वाटर एंड मिनरल्स पूरे लीफ में सप्लाई करता है जो भी उसे प्लांट से मिलता हो. ओके, देन लीफ ब्लेड. दिस एज ऑफ द लीफ इज नोन एज द लीफ ब्लेड. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन. देन मेन वेन. सी नाउ, from the beginning of the leaf you can see this line is coming from the beginning till the end, right? So this is known as the main vein. जो भी plant से leaf को मिलता है वो stalk से आता है and then stalk जो है वो main vein में सारा जो minerals and water है वो supply करती है. And after that the side veins are coming from the main veins. Okay? Stalk से आते हैं main veins से आते हैं side veins. Okay? Side veins जो है वो पूरे leaf को cover करते हैं. Okay? These are the small thin lines that are covering the whole leaf. Okay, dear children? Let's move further. Now, leaf blade. Okay, this is very clear to you. The shape of the leaf, the edges of the leaf are known as the leaf blade. Now, as you all know कि हम सांस लेते हैं, right? उसी तरह even the leaves breathe. Okay, and वो कहाँ से breathe करते हैं? पहले बताओ हम कहाँ से breathe करते हैं? We breathe with our lungs and through our nose, right? And the plants, they breathe with the help of leaf and the leaf has stomata. Okay? Leaves जो हैं वो stomata के through breathe करते हैं. Okay? Leaves में छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं. Okay? And उन holes को, उन pores को हम stomata बोलते हैं. Okay? See, you can see over here. There are small holes on the leaf. Okay? So, with the help of stomata, the leaves breathe. Fine. Leaves are green as they contain a green pigment. Leaves green color के क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि उनमें एक pigment होता है. Okay? एक chemical होता है and that is called chlorophyll. Okay? उसे क्या बोलते हैं? क्लोरोफिल. ये एक ऐसा पिगमेंट है जिसके वजह से लीव्स आर ग्रीन इन कलर. ओके? क्लोरोफिल हेल्प्स द प्लांट टू एब्जॉर्ब सनलाइट. क्लोरोफिल जो है वो लीव्स को, प्लांट्स को हेल्प करता है सनलाइट एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए. ओके? अगर प्लांट को सनलाइट नहीं मिलेगा तो व्हाट विल हैपन? वो सर्वाइव कर पाएगा? नहीं ना. So chlorophyll makes the leaves green and they also help to absorb sunlight. Okay? Next. What is the work of leaves? Leaves का work क्या है? Let us see. Leaves are called the food factory of plant because they prepared food for the plant. Leaves जो हैं उनको plants का food factory बोला जाता है, kitchen बोला जाता है, okay? Because leaves जो हैं वो पूरे plant के लिए food prepare करते हैं. Okay, dear children? The process by which green leaves make food for the plant with the help of carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight is called photosynthesis. Very important dear children. जो खाना बनाने का प्रोसेस होता है ग्रीन प्लांट्स में उसे बोला जाता है फोटोसिंथेसिस. Keep this in your mind. Process by which green plants make food, green leaves make food for the plant with the help of carbon dioxide, water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, dear children? So this whole process of preparing food done by leaf for the plant is known as photosynthesis. Okay? Photo means what? Light. Okay? साइंस के लैंग्वेज में लाइट को फोटो बोला जाता है. ओके? एंड सिंथेसिस मीन्स पुटिंग टुगेदर, पुटिंग ऑल द एलिमेंट्स टुगेदर फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फूड फॉर द प्लांट्स by the help of green leaves. It is known as photosynthesis. ये जो वर्ड है इसे हमने क्या कर दिया है, इसे हमने आधा कट कर दिया है टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. ओके? एंड इससे आपको स्पेलिंग लर्न करने में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. राइट? So mark this thing. This can come in your objectives. Okay? I can ask you what is photo and what is synthesis. Okay? Let's move on. Process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis का process कैसे होता है हमने तो देख लिया what we need in that. But अब वो process कैसे होता है? Let's see. With the help of sunlight. Okay? Plant जो है उससे सनलाइट मिल रहा है, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्रीथ कर रहा है. ओके? एंड उसे जमीन से, ग्राउंड से वाटर मिल रहा है, मिनरल्स मिल रहे हैं एंड वो ऑक्सीजन रिलीव कर रहा है. ओके? वो ऑक्सीजन छोड़ रहा है. हम क्या करते हैं? वी ब्रीथ ऑक्सीजन, है ना, एंड वी एक्सेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. बट इन प्लांट्स ये उल्टा होता है. ओके? इट इज द इनवर्स ऑफ इट. प्लांट्स दे ब्रीथ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड दे एक्सहेल ऑक्सीजन. ओके? सो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, in presence of carbon dioxide, in presence of water and minerals, the plant makes the process of photosynthesis where the leaves are preparing food. Okay? And after that, what they exhale oxygen. Okay, dear children? Are you all clear? What are the elements for photosynthesis? Sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Right? And when the photosynthesis is going on, plant कौन सा गैस छोड़ता है? They leave they leave oxygen. Okay, dear children? Let's move on. What is the work of leaf? Leaves help the plant breathe through stomata. Leaves जो है वो plants को breathe करने में help करते हैं with the help of stomata, the small pores on the leaves. Next, leaves give out extra water through stomata. Leaves को जितना भी पानी required होता है वो उतना पानी absorb करते हैं, and अगर उनसे extra पानी absorb हो जाता है तो वो stomata के through उस पानी को निकाल देते हैं. You might have observed कि early morning हम जब leaves को देखते हैं तब उनके ऊपर small droplets होते हैं, right? So those droplets come through stomata. okay, and that water, the droplets of water, those are the extra water droplets जो plant ने leaves के through निकाल दिया है. Okay dear children. Next, plants like spinach. You know the meaning of spinach? Find it out, okay? Coriander, cabbage and mint store food in their leaves. These leaves are eaten as food. Dear children, हम leafy vegetables खाते हैं. The vegetables that have leaves, पालक है, फिर पुदीना है, right? So the leafy vegetables, such vegetables store their food in the leaves. Okay dear children, so this was it for today's class. Now time for your worksheet. Okay, so let's see the worksheet. Dear children, this is your worksheet. Chapter 6, Parts of a Plant, Worksheet 4, based on video lesson part 4. Okay, so fill in the blanks. You have to read the sentence very carefully. You have to choose the correct answer from the brackets. And then you have to fill the blank. Okay, answer in short. Today I have something very new for you all. Okay, question number 1. Draw the structure of leaf. हमें leaf को draw करना है and उसके parts जो हैं, the main vein and और क्या क्या था? So you have to draw the structure and then you have to label the parts of the leaf. Okay. Next, draw the picture showing photosynthesis. हमने अभी photosynthesis होते हुए एक picture देखा ना? So you have to draw that as well. Fine. Which plants store food in their leaves and are eaten as food? Leafy vegetables. You know their names? You have to write those names. Okay dear children. Now a special instruction for you all. आप जैसे ही question number 1 और question number 2 finish करते हैं, the drawing work you have been given, you have to send me a photo of it. Okay dear children. I will check it and I will give you a big star. Fine. I will see you next time with the next part of this chapter. Bye. God bless you.